ChatGPT said, opening scene, drone shot, swooping down over a pristine mountain road, revealing the massive and striking 2025 Brabus BigBoy Motor Home parked on the edge of a cliff. Epic cinematic music plays. Host, VO. This is not your average RV. This is the 2025 Brabus BigBoy Motor Home, an absolute beast of engineering, design, and pure opulence. And today we're going inside for a full tour of what might just be the most luxurious motorhome ever made. Cut to exterior walkthrough. The camera pans across the motorhome's matte black Brabus custom body kit, 24-inch forged wheels, and sleek LED light bars. Host, Brabus took what you thought a motorhome could be and turned it into something out of a sci-fi movie. From this aggressive front fascia to the fully automated slide-outs, it screams power and prestige. Cut to, automatic steps extend as the main door hisses open, camera moves inside. Host, step into the lounge and you're immediately surrounded by handcrafted leather, carbon fiber trims, and smart glass windows that tint with a voice command. Every surface, every stitch, it's all Brabus perfection. Interior shot, wide angle of the living room, two massive recliners, an L-shaped sofa, 8K OLED wall display, ambient lighting. Host, this is your living room on wheels. The seats are heated, cooled, massaging, and yes, they memorize your preferred position. The display syncs with satellite internet for 4K streaming in the middle of nowhere. Cut to, kitchen with brushed aluminum finishes, induction stove, convection oven, dual zone fridge, and espresso station. Host, in the kitchen, luxury meets functionality. Top-tier appliances, integrated storage, and even a voice-controlled espresso maker. You can whip up anything from a morning latte to a 5-course meal. Transition, bedroom reveals with a slow pullback shot, king-size memory foam bed, motorized blackout blinds, mood lighting. Host, this bedroom? It's nicer than most high-end hotel suites, climate-zoned, soundproofed, and fully automated. There's even a retractable skylight above the bed for stargazing. Bathroom tour, rainfall shower, heated floors, marble sink, smart mirror. Host, and check this out. Your bathroom includes a spa-grade rainfall shower, touchless features, and even a mirror that gives you weather updates and travel alerts. Cut to, tech control hub. A sleek digital panel shows power levels, solar input, battery charge, water filtration, and security feeds. Host, everything is controlled right here, or from your phone. The Big Boy is off-grid, capable with solar panels, lithium-ion batteries, and even a silent generator backup. It's green, powerful, and completely self-sufficient. Cut to, host stepping outside as the awning extends, underlit with LEDs. Outdoor speakers start playing music. Host, and when you want to chill outside, you've got an automated patio, full sound system, even an exterior entertainment suite for movie nights under the stars. Closing shot, sunset over the mountains, the Big Boy glowing softly. Host, VO. The 2025 Brabus Big Boy isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion, a mobile fortress, and a luxury lifestyle statement. So, is this the most luxurious motorhome ever made? Smiling to camera. Host,